How to see old emails in Gmail. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your old emails in Gmail. To see old emails in Gmail, you will need to follow the steps. First of all, open any web browser on your device and at the search bar type gmail.com. Now press enter to browse it. Here make sure you are logged into your Gmail or Google account. Once logged in, you will reach to this page. Here you can use the search bar at the top of the Gmail interface in the inbox to find your old emails. You can search by sender, subject, keywords, or any other information related to the email you are looking for. Gmail provides various search operators to refine your search. If you want to search your old emails by date, then you can type before, semicolon, and the specific date. Make sure you enter the date in this format. Once you type in this, now press enter to browse it. Now it will show you the emails sent before that specific date. If you want to find the emails sent after that specific date, then you can just click on it and replace this before by after. Once you type in this, now press enter. Now it will show you the emails that you have got after this specific date. If you want to find emails older than a month or a year, you can type this keyword. Clear the previous keyword, write older, underscore than, semicolon, 1 year or month. Once you type in this, now press enter. You will be presented with all the emails that are older than 1 month. You can change this based on your preference. Also, if you want to search your old emails by sender or recipient, you can use this keyword. In the search bar, type from, semicolon, and the name of the specific sender. After you type in this keyword, press the enter button and it will show you all the emails from that particular sender. And if you want to search by receiver, you can simply type to instead of from. Now once you do so, press the enter button and then you will be able to find the emails that you have sent to that particular receiver. Here I have no emails that I have sent to Facebook, so I am not able to see the emails that I have sent to Facebook. If you know the name of any person that you have sent previously, you can enter the name of that person in this field. Also, if you have large number of emails matching your search criteria, then you may need to scroll through the multiple pages of the results. And if you have organized your emails with labels or filters, then you can navigate through these on the left sidebar to find the specific categories of emails. Also remember that Gmail archive emails instead of deleting them. So you can access archived emails by clicking on all mail or searching for them directly. For that, you can click on this more option right here and from here select all mail. You can also search your emails if you have deleted before in this trash can. But note that you will not be able to see the messages that you have deleted 30 days before. So by using these methods, you should be able to locate and view old emails effectively in Gmail. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.